Hello my dear friends, in this video we will understand how to change a sentence into negative, especially the sentence having must in it. Okay, my father must be home now and you must paint the house. These two sentences need to be changed into negative. My father must be home now, the negative would be my father can't be home now. My father can't be home now. The meaning of the first sentence is you are sure that your father is home. My father must be home means I'm sure my father is home. Okay. When must expresses certainty, to make negative of that must, we should use can't or can't. Okay, cannot. Second sentence, you must paint the house. Here we talk about compulsion. We talk about something which is necessarily to be done. You must paint the house means paint the house. It's compulsory. So in this case, the negative of this sentence would be you must not paint the house. Okay, you must not paint the house. Here we would add not after must. Okay, you must not paint the house. You must get up early these days. The negative, you must not get up early these days, means if something is necessary to be done, we say you must do it. But when it's necessary not to do it, we use must not. You must not do it means don't do it. One more thing I'd like to tell you, must cannot be used in future to talk about certainty. If we are sure or certain that something is going to happen, we cannot use must over there. My father may not be home now, but he'll be home by the evening. We use will instead of must in future to show certainty. Okay, but we can use must to show that something is compulsory to be done in the future. For example, you must paint the house next week. Okay, now let's compare two sentences. My father will be home by the evening and my father must be home by the evening. Will be home by the evening means I'm sure my father will come by the evening. But my father must be home by the evening means my father should come home by the evening. It is necessary for him to reach home by the evening. It's compulsory. It does not show certainty. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.